Plant towers out of PVC pipes can be a fun, creative way to display your plants. Here are a few ideas. Cut PVC pipes into varying length, attach them vertical on a wall or fence. Plant small flower succulents in each section for a striking vertical garden. Hanging planters cut the PVC pipes into a shorter length and drill holes on the sides. 3 drops of chains through the pipes and hang them at a varying height to create hanging planter display. Tired planters cut PVC pipes into a different length and stack them on top of each other creative tired planters. This can be placed on the ground and elevate to a unique look. Cut the PVC pipe in a spiral space shape, creating a long, continuous planters. This can be placed horizontal or vertical, allowing for a variety of plant placements. Herb garden use a small PVC pipes and create a individually section from growing herbs. Attach these to a wall of fence, making compact, organized herb garden. Remember to drill drainage holes in the bottom of pipes to prevent waterlogging and ensure proper drainage for your planters, and also consider plant and decorate PVC pipes to match your garden decor creative and appealing aesthetics. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. And this video share to your friends. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Creating a beautiful and functional garden yard can enhance the aesthetics of your outdoor space while providing relaxing and enjoyable environment. Here are various ideas to transform your garden yard into a serene and inviting areas. Using PVC pipes, plastic bottles in your home garden can serve various purposes. Here's a comprehensive guide with creative ideas on how you can utilize these plastic bottles made from PVC pipes. Gardening trailers supports climbing plants. Create trailers or supporters from climbing plants like tomatoes, peas, beans. As these plants grow, plastic bottles can offer sturdy support. Vine support and vines to grow alone. The PVC bottles structures by crafting supportive grids frame. So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. This video share to your friends. Drill holes in the PVC pipes and attach them strangely throughout your garden. Create cost-effective drip and irrigation system. Control water flow by adjusting the size and number of holes. Use PVC bottles to create the frame for raised garden beds. Assemble the corners with bottles and then attach the sides of durable raised bed structure. Fashion PVC bottle hopes to hold row covers, netting project plants from pests like insects or birds. Garden tool storage tool holders create customized holders by affixing PVC bottles to a wall or the side of shade. Slide tools like shelves, racks, garden hose into these holders from the easy access. Drill holes in the PVC pipes, place them vertically into the compost pipe, enhance the aeration circulation, aiding in the decomposition process. Construct frames with PVC bottles and cover them with a plastic sheeting or fabric. Project plants from front harsh weather conditions. Create a mini greenhouse from seedlings by converting PVC bottles to from a frame. Cover the structure with plastic sheeting or a transparent cover to create a warm and humid environment for our seedlings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.